Today, I want to explain one of the most confusing but important topics in supply chain management, JIT versus MRP. One is called demand pull, the other is push through. If you understand this one slide, you understand 80% of inventory strategy. Let's start from the big picture. Both JIT and MRP answer the same question. When should we produce, and how much inventory should we hold? The difference is what triggers production. On the left, we have JIT, demand pull. On the right, we have MRP, push through. Let's start with JIT, or just in time. JIT is a demand pull system. Demand pull means nothing is produced unless a customer actually orders it. The customer demand pulls the product through the supply chain. That's why under JIT, production responds to actual demand. Inventory levels are very low. The system is agile and flexible. Think of a restaurant. When you order a burger, the kitchen starts cooking. They don't cook 100 bugs in advance. That is JIT. The main risk of JIT is stockouts. If suppliers are late or demand spikes suddenly, there may not be enough inventory. Now let's look at MRP, Materials Requirements Planning. MRP is a push-through system. Instead of waiting for actual orders, production is based on demand forecasts. Push-through means we produce first and push goods into the supply chain based on budgeted or forecasted demand. So under MRP, decisions are forecast-driven. Inventory levels are higher. The system is planned but rigid. Think of a factory producing canned food. They forecast demand for the next 6 months, produce in large batches, and push inventory into warehouses. The biggest risk of MRP is overstock. If forecasts are wrong, inventory builds up before the system can react. So the key difference comes down to what drives the system. JIT is driven by demand. MRP is driven by forecasts. JIT uses a pull logic. MRP uses a push logic. JIT keeps inventory low. MRP typically holds inventory high. One important point, ERP systems can support both JIT and MRP. ERP is the technology platform. T and MRP are management philosophies. ERP provides real-time data for JIT and planning and scheduling tools for MRP. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: JIT means make what customers order. MRP means make what we forecast. If this video clear for you, please like the video and subscribe. I break down complex accounting and management topics into simple ideas every week.